This video is brought to you by Hatsoft. Welcome to Yellowstone National Park, a land of breathtaking beauty and geological wonders. Today, we delve into one of nature's most mesmerizing phenomena, the singing geysers. These unique geothermal marvels produce hauntingly beautiful sounds, transforming the landscape into a natural symphony. Yellowstone is famous for its geysers, including Old Faithful, but fewer people know about the mysterious melodies produced by some of these geothermal features. Singing geysers are not only a feast for the eyes but also for the ears, captivating visitors with their ethereal tones. So, what causes these geysers to sing? The phenomenon occurs when water trapped in underground cavities heats up and turns into steam. As the pressure builds, the steam escapes through narrow channels, creating vibrations. These vibrations resonate within the geyser's structure, producing sounds that range from deep rumbles to high-pitched whistles. Two of Yellowstone's most iconic singing geysers are the Lone Star Geyser and the Castle Geyser. Lone Star, located in a secluded area, produces rhythmic pulses that echo through the forest. Castle Geyser, on the other hand, creates a booming, almost orchestral sound during its eruptions. Each geyser has its own unique voice, shaped by its geological structure. Singing geysers are a testament to the intricate relationship between geology and acoustics. Similar to how wind instruments work, the size and shape of the geyser's vent influence the pitch and volume of its sounds. Scientists continue to study these natural soundscapes, using them to learn more about underground geothermal systems. For many visitors, the sounds of Yellowstone's singing geysers create a profound emotional connection to nature. It's a reminder of the Earth's raw power and beauty. The melodies of these geysers have even inspired musicians and sound artists to incorporate them into their work. As enchanting as these geysers are, they are also fragile. Protecting them is crucial to preserving Yellowstone's unique ecosystem. Visitors are urged to follow park guidelines, staying on designated trails and respecting these natural wonders. Yellowstone's singing geysers are a reminder that nature is not just seen but heard. These geothermal symphonies connect us to the rhythms of the earth, leaving us in awe of its timeless beauty. So, next time you visit Yellowstone, close your eyes, listen, and let the music of the geysers transport you to another world.